Hi, this is Michelle Roebuck, and I want to thank you for watching this video. Today, I'm continuing talking about my lead gen secret and give you a sort of an overview of how this system works. Okay, right now I'm inside my account. I just want to show you the latest update. I did get another. Let me go to the my downline here for affiliates. I did get another sign up today in my lead gen secret, and let me go over to commissions here. So as you can see, I got a sign up today. I guess that's around 2:33 p.m. So I earned a $5 commission. So now I'm at a total of $23 so far from my lead gen secret. Okay, so and this particular affiliate came from the mailing I did inside this system. So one of the emails that they got on October the 7th, they signed up from that email. Okay, and I can show you that when I click on upgraded members, click on this number 2 here. I got the names blacked out here for personal, to protect their privacy. But MLGS 1007, that means that this person was from the mailing system. Okay, this person came from my lead gen secret. So these leads do convert, and these are real people, real leads. And right now it's time for me to do another email and send another email to these leads. Okay, so I'm going to do that in this video. I'm going to the mailing system right here, click on that. Now, I usually leave this at choose mailing type. I usually leave it at mail by date. And then I select all of my leads. So I always email all of my leads. I don't like choose, a certain number. So I have a total of 1,300 leads, because since I do have a sign up in my lead gen secret, I'm getting 100 bonus leads on top of the already 100 leads that I get. So I'm getting 200 leads per day now. As you can see here, yesterday and today, 200 leads. So now I have a total of 1,300 leads. The send from, I usually leave it at my name. Okay, and then they have these saved emails. If I want to reuse one of these emails, I can just load it up. But I'm going to use a different email. Now, yesterday I sent an email promoting a different offer. Today I'm going to send an email promoting my lead gen secret. Okay, so I already got the email done up here. So this is the subject. Excuse me if I'm sniffing. I still have a cold. Still trying to get over that cold. Okay, so for the subject here, I usually like to use their first name to make it more personal. And then, I get rid of all of this text here. Now I'm going to get the body of the text here. Alright, copy that. Put it in here. Alright, okay. So the picture doesn't come up, but that's alright. I can just delete that. Now I do have the way to put a picture in this. I just put it right here. I'm putting it under my name. Click on this picture image icon. Click on that. And I just need the URL. And I have that already queued up. So I'm going to copy that. Put it in there. I'm going to change the width to 200. Okay, and there it is. So I'm gonna get rid of some of the spacing here. Okay, leave it like that. The rest of the spacing looks pretty decent. I'm going to click on perfect timing. Perfect timing just means that whenever they opted in to receive more information about whatever they are interested in, that perfect timing pretty much goes to like when people are most often going to likely open up an email, check their email, whatever. So that's what perfect timing is. And I always select perfect timing. You don't have to. And then before you send it off, you want to preview your email. Make sure everything looks okay. Make sure the links are okay here. let's see. I'm just checking to make sure the links are okay. Now, what I do is that I send my link not to the sales page for my lead gen secret. I'm using a replicated sales page that I got access to because I'm in this private Facebook group where people who are in my lead gen secret, we share tips and strategies, and also proof results of us making sales, whether it's inside the system or outside the system, that sort of thing. And there's also information back there where you can actually use this replicated sales page, put your links in there, your affiliate ID in there, and use that instead of the sales page for my lead gen secret. So I click on it, and this is the replicated sales page, okay, that I'm using. Alright, so I'm using this to send to my list, and when people sign up using, sign up through here, it's going to go into using my affiliate link. My affiliate link is already part of this, and people will be able to use this same exact replicated sales page, okay, and they also will be able to join the private Facebook group that I'm a part of, where they can get even more tips and strategies on how to be successful using this system. Okay, now I see a little something here. Let me see if I can fix that, but all these links looks like they're pretty good here. Okay, down here, you always want to check, make sure that your links are going to where they're supposed to be going to. And I always put a picture of myself in the emails to make it more personal so people get to know, like, and trust me. I also put my email address, phone number so they can text me, and also a link to my Facebook page so they can friend me on Facebook and send me a message if they have any questions. Alright, so let me scroll up here for a moment. This part right here. Yeah, this part looks a little different here. Let me go in here. I'm going to copy this link and unlink it. Do this. Oops. Okay. I'm going to link that. It's supposed to be HTTPS. Okay, so that should work. I'm going to make this bold it. Okay, now I'm going to preview it, make sure that works there. Okay, so it's going there. Alright, yeah, I just need to clean that up a little bit, but the rest of this looks fine. Okay, so this email is good to go. Okay, again, I use their first name to make it more personal. Okay, picture, email address, phone number if they want to text me, and Facebook page if they want to friend me and ask me a question on Facebook. So now I just click on send email, and it'll take a moment here. Alright, your message has been queued. You should be able to view it on the statistics page in a few moments. Now, this email that I just sent is one of the email swipes that are available in the private Facebook group. Okay, so let me take you to the Facebook group. I didn't show it to you yesterday, but okay, it's the My Lead Gen Secret Success Facebook group. Again, it's a private group, and there's a lot of great information on here. Reed Florin is the administrator of this group, and he just added this about 44 minutes ago. It's an action plan to help you make money. So I'll probably be going through that, and when you join this Facebook group, you'll want to go through this post here that'll help you to make money. Let me like that. Okay, so and there's people on here who are posting their results. Okay, somebody who just signed up right here, and they're excited to get started. And here is my post. I posted this about an hour ago showing my results. Okay, and let's see what else we have here. Someone welcoming a new teammate. Okay, and there's some training, Facebook marketing, how to add buyer friends. So there's tips and strategies back here in this Facebook group for you. Okay, and let's see. And also, you'll also get information about how you can do the lead swap. They do a weekly lead swap in this private Facebook group, where after the lead swap, Reed Florin, he uses this service to clean all of the leads that we submit to him. And then once he cleans all the leads, which means getting rid of bad leads, spammy leads, dead leads, email addresses that are no good or anything. Once he gets rid of all those, he gives us all of the good leads and send them back to people. And, right now, the last couple of weeks, people have been receiving over 300,000 leads back. Okay, and you can upload these in what's called a self-hosted autoresponder, because you don't want to upload these leads in like Aweber, GetResponse, SendLanes, those type of autoresponders, because they're more picky about what leads you can upload onto their system. But if you have a self-hosted autoresponder, you can upload over 300,000 leads onto that autoresponder, and you'll be able to email those leads or any other offers you want. Okay, so there's a way you can do this, and if you join me in my lead gen secret, just click the very first link below this video in the description area, put in your email address, and then go ahead and sign up for my lead gen secret, and then you'll be able to join this private Facebook group, and you'll get more information about how to set up your own self-hosted autoresponder and get like over 300,000 leads a week. Okay, so that's what this Facebook group is all about, giving you tips and strategies on how to make money with these leads that you're getting with my lead gen secret. So if you're ready to get started, go ahead and click that very first link below this video in the description area to get started. Alright, again, I want to thank you for watching this video, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.